Kejriwal, the Congress party also waded into the BJP versus the Aam Aadmi Party face-off, saying there's no place for violence in democracy.
हमले की तो हम निंदा करते हैं, किसी भी तरीके की हिंसा निंदा करते हैं। हमारे लोकतंत्र में, हमारे प्रजातंत्र में हिंसा की कोई जगह नहीं है। मैं बस आशा करूंगा कि पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट करे कि इसके पीछे क्या है क्या नहीं है। हिंसा का जवाब हिंसा नहीं होता। अगर किसी ने आपको मारा है उसको पुलिस के हवाले करिए। हम लोग राजनीति में हैं, हम लोगों को सभ्यता से रहना चाहिए। क्या इंसिडेंट है क्योंकि इससे मुझे जानकारी नहीं है, लेकिन जो लोग चोट भी लगी है मैं उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूँ। लेकिन सबसे कहूँगा, चुनाव है, चुनाव की वोट की इसकी एक प्रतिद्वंद्विता है। ये कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है, ये कोई लड़ाई नहीं है, इसमें हिंसा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, this is a shocking twist to the entire campaign. Arvind Kejriwal alleging that he was attacked. He claims that stones were also pelted. The BJP alleging a completely different story.
Oh, well, indeed, allegations and counter-allegations are coming in on the part of the BJP as well as Aam Aadmi Party, as it was the Aam Aadmi Party who has made this allegation at first that there is an attack which had taken place when Arvind Kejriwal was holding a campaigning in the national capital, in which they have mentioned and made this allegation against the BJP candidate Parvesh Verma, in which the Aam Aadmi Party had said that the goons of Mr. Parvesh Verma has attacked Arvind Kejriwal, not just when he was doing the campaigning, but also when he was sitting inside the car. There were some of the stones which are also being pelted upon his vehicle. So that was a big claim which was being made by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders yesterday, and for that reason now a counter allegation had also come on the part of the BJP, as well as it was Mr. Parvesh Verma who has mentioned that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, when he was doing this campaigning, and when some of the local residents shown black flags to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he sat inside the car, and his car has also hit some of the local residents there when they were trying to ask some kind of questions from the Aam Aadmi Party convener. So for that reason now it is Mr. Parvesh Verma who is also making this allegation that because of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, many of these local residents have also been admitted to the hospital because they have been injured seriously, and for that reason he is also saying that the BJP is also going to file an FIR against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal for making this kind of an attack upon the local residents when he was holding this campaigning. So from both the sides we have seen that how war of words has erupted. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that it is because the BJP is feeling insecure ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections that they are opting to such kind of tactics. On the other side, it is the BJP which is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is basically trying to get away from all the questions which the people of Delhi wants to ask to them about their promises, about their claims which they had made in the past 10 years.
Okay, all right, Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. War of words continues. The complaint we filed in this regard, and how is this escalating from here? We're keeping a track of that. Quick break.